Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Word document not opening problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Word document not working properly or not opening, then I'll show you how to fix this issue in a simple method. For that, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left section you can see here apps, click on the apps. If you are using Windows 10, you will find installed apps. If you are using Windows 11, then you will find apps and features. You just need to click on that. Here you need to find Microsoft Office. You can see here Microsoft Office. You just need to click on this three dot, then click on modify. Click on yes. Here you will find, if you are using MS Office 2007, you will find the window like this: add or remove feature, repair or remove. If you are using any higher Microsoft Office, you will find repair option. You just need to select repair, then click on continue. After some time, it will repair all your MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint. It will repair all your MS Office files. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Word not opening properly or not working in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.